Why should I obtain a patent? Hello, friends. I am Prachi Chopra, Managing Director at Intellect Bastion, and I actually help inventors, corporates, institutes get their inventions protected. Today, I am going to answer a very frequently asked question by the inventors community, which is why should I obtain a patent? Yes, obviously, this is a very important question to know, or you can say a very genuine and logically correct question in the minds of the inventors. So, I'm going to answer this question in 5 major points. And the first and most important point is protection for 20 years. Guys, the most important benefit of having a patent is that your invention gets protected for the next 20 years, which is actually a long time for which you have monopoly over your invention and have an explicit right over your invention. Since the technology is running so fast, it has been seen actually that in almost 5 to 10 years sometimes, the inventions become obsolete because new versions come into the market. So obviously, getting a legal right over your invention for almost 20 years, it is a good enough time in which you can use your invention in whichever way you want. Your invention is simply yours and only yours for the next 20 years. So this is the first important most benefit I wanted to inform you. And now coming to the next one, which is opportunity to sell or license your invention. Once you have monopoly over your invention through patents, now you have the opportunity to use your invention in the best possible way and in your way. If it is a product or a service which you may have patented, like maybe just a few weeks ago, I helped an inventor protect this novel 3D printing machine. Yes, actually. Similarly, if you have developed a novel product or maybe a process, you can create a technology business out of it to get some monetary benefits. You are also free to sell out your product or process idea to some other company and get a huge sum of money in return for transferring your invention to that company's name. Or the other way out is that you may decide to license your invention exclusively to one company or to multiple companies, and for each sale of your patented product being done, you can earn royalties transferred back to you. So summarizing in a line, there are multiple ways of earning money because your invention gets once your invention gets patented, you can license it or sell it off. So this is one of the distinctive advantages of patenting your work. Third is that it labels your work as patent protected. Means, so what? I mean, you may be wondering that so what if we have a label given to our work as patent protected or not? See, the answer is that products and processes which are protected as patents attract your clients much, much more than those which are not patent protected. And this label only increases the market value of your products. I've experienced some inventors calling me and asking very simple questions like how can we label our work or product as patent pending or patent protected? And the reason was that when they were pursuing the process of pitching their potential clients to sell or maybe license their work, the other party simply asked them that well, your product seems to be good enough, but what is the patent status of this product? Is it patent pending or is it patent protected? And this leaves them blank because leave about the status of the patent, they don't even know what is a patent and the procedures involved to get that. So it is important to know that having a product being labeled as patent protected increases your market value and many-folds the chances of successfully selling and licensing your product to your potential clients. The next most important benefit of having the patents is that it sparks innovation. As a social benefit, competitiveness की भावना जगाते हैं patents. Let me tell you why. The reason is that patenting a product provides you complete monopoly and exclusive rights. Now, some or all the other inventors out there in the world who may be reading or maybe practicing your protected invention, they may be excited by your work, and having been aware of the fact that they cannot themselves use this invention of yours for their personal benefits, they may think of optimizing it or carving out new ways and novel improvements over your disclosed invention. So this actually directly or indirectly, positively or negatively, whichever way, actually sparks or increases the innovation in country, or maybe world as a whole. Also, the other way by which the patents spark innovation is that an inventor knows that whatever years and years of financial, physical, mental pressure he or she has gone through to get this invention created and protected, it will be actually worth it and will be fruitful for him once he or she gets monopoly over it through patents, and actually when he commercializes it to get monetary benefits. So he feels motivated because he knows that his work is his own and will remain his own for the next 20 years as well. No one can use it for personal benefits, and hence this effort involved, his efforts actually involved in R&D of realizing his idea or invention, will not actually drain off in the hands of the others. This motivates him to work on more and more inventions in the future as well, and this in turn sparks innovation. Now, one last advantage of having patents is that it actually unburdens you to keep your invention as a trade secret. Now, you don't have any burden in your mind or heart that you have to keep your invention as a big secret, as a big secret, because of n number of fears that you may have, like what if someone may misuse your invention for their own personal benefits. You are simply free from this burden and tension by just filing your patent, because once it is filed, from that day the invention becomes prior art disclosed by you, and once you get it granted, though it is disclosed to others, you have monopoly over it and rights to legally sue that other person if they misuse it without your permission. So this is all for this video, and I hope I have clearly and in detail answered the very question in your mind, that why should you obtain a patent. Thank you so much for listening to me. Please like this video if you really liked it, and please subscribe to my channel on YouTube to keep listening to more such videos on intellectual property rights, because your likes actually and subscriptions will actually help me keep motivated to post more and more such content on YouTube. Thank you so much.